How to use car accident legal advice platform properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Using a car accident legal advice platform can save time and guide you through complex claims, but beginners often misapply the advice, costing themselves money or legal rights. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. The first mistake is entering incomplete or inaccurate accident details. Platforms rely on the information you provide to generate advice or forms. Missing key details like witness names, photos, or police reports can result in faulty guidance. Another common error is assuming all recommendations apply to your state. Traffic laws and insurance regulations vary widely. Always double-check advice against local laws to avoid invalid claims. Many users fail to organize documentation. Accident photos, repair estimates, medical bills, and insurance correspondence should be easily accessible. Disorganized files slow down your claim and can reduce your negotiating power. Another pitfall is ignoring deadlines. Legal advice platforms can guide you, but you remain responsible for filing claims, notifying insurers, or submitting forms on time. Missing these steps can limit compensation or void your claim. Finally, some rely entirely on online guidance without consulting a lawyer for complex situations. If liability is disputed or injuries are severe, professional legal representation ensures your claim is properly valued and protected. To properly use a car accident legal advice platform, provide complete and accurate information, verify state-specific rules, organize all documentation, respect deadlines, and seek legal help for complex claims. Following these steps prevents costly mistakes and strengthens your chances of a successful outcome.